What's up, you guys? First things first, I just want to stand here and I just want to salute that flag right there all day, every day. And second of all, I'm actually kind of blown away by this. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, man. I'm just ecstatic about that. So I want to thank you guys, all of you, for just checking out my videos and subscribing. You know, it means a lot to me. So really blown away by that. I can't believe we hit 1,000 subscribers, man. That just that made my day. I really wanted to portray that. You know, I really appreciate you guys watching my stuff, and don't worry, we got plenty of more content coming. This video is basically an unofficial version of that. I'm going to be posting a 1,000 subscriber appreciation video. I'm going to break out the Camaro, and then we're going to do some stuff I know you guys like. So stay tuned for that. That'll be maybe dropping in a couple weeks. Next up, we've got the 74 Project Corvette. This is basically a Pro Touring 74 Vet. You know, we've got all kinds of tubes, suspension, 5-speed. We've got, you know, rear cantilever suspension by Sharkbite. You know, all kinds of awesome stuff. So we still got plenty of more work to do on that. So we're going to be starting back on that. Last time I left off, we actually had the power steering unit. We're going with a Borgeson powered steering box. It's a gearbox that actually has power steering hoses going to it. So we're going to eliminate all the leaky factory stuff. You know, I rebuilt a ton of them, and you can make them work pretty well. But we're bringing this thing into the modern era with some modern power steering. The tube control arms actually have about 6 degrees more caster, so really excited to get this thing done and take it for a spin and see how it all feels. But yeah, so one of the issues I was having with that power steering box is one of the procedures you have to do is actually shorten the steering column. It's basically designed to collapse if you're in an accident to absorb some impact. But this one was so rusted up, I ended up having to take the whole thing out of the car, and then we decided we were going to just go on a full restoration of it. So that video is going to be coming out maybe next week sometime. But you know, I took that thing all down to metal. Every single part in that steering column is going to be totally refreshed. We've got all new components that went in on it, and you know, just really happy how it turned out. So I hope you guys like that video. That's going to be more of like a time-lapse kind of fast-paced action movie. So look forward to that coming. Then after that, sometime we're going to be posting some work on this O2 Z06 project. That's basically getting an LS2 E4 supercharger, something that's supposed to go on like a C6. So this thing's going to be wild when it's done. So really, really excited about that. So we've got that going on. I'll be posting videos in a progression on steps on that project as well. And I'll bring you guys along the way and keep you guys updated. Right here we've got an LT1 out of a C7 Vet. You know, we're doing some sleeper status upgrades to that, just basically building a very strong engine that he can do whatever the hell he wants to it. And that'll be done maybe in a week or so, so hopefully we'll get that done. I don't want to really post a whole lot on that project because he's trying to go with that sleeper status, so I don't want anybody to recognize his car. We've got that engine at the machine shop. That's about ready to roll. We've got another engine at the machine shop we're still waiting on. We had some hard to find parts. Basically, it's a 383 Lingenfelter LT1, so we've got that under control. So that engine should be out very shortly. So we'll be installing that, getting some tuning in on it, and go for some rips and see how she goes. We'll actually have to break the engine in on both of those. So after that's done, we'll do the full tuning on it. The Z06 project, that's due to come back. We're doing a brake upgrade on that, and I think he's about done with his break-in procedure, so we're going to finally be able to go wide open throttle with that. So that'll be back here in a couple weeks. But yeah, you know, we're keeping busy, so I appreciate you guys watching, and I cannot believe it, man. We hit 1,000 subscribers, dude. That makes me so happy. So I just want to say thanks again. I can't say it enough. You know, it really means a lot to me. So, you know, stay tuned. We're gonna keep at it. So I got some videos coming out here very shortly. I think you guys are all gonna love. And you know, again, you know, thanks again for everything. And you know, if you like the videos, don't forget to subscribe. Definitely drop that like button if you want to keep this motivation and everything going. So again, look forward to a 1,000 subscriber video coming out maybe in next week, or well, I'll say in the next couple weeks. It's going to take me a little while to do it because life's a little crazy right now. But you know, after the next few videos drop, I will be putting out the 1,000 subscriber appreciation video, and we'll be doing some cool stuff. I know you guys like some tire smoke, so we're gonna bust out the Camaro, and you know, I'm gonna show you guys some cool stuff. So definitely look forward to that. And you know, overall, I guess that's about it for now. So I appreciate you guys watching. Definitely subscribe if you want to, and leave a like. And again, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. So. All right, guys. See ya.